Yo, yo, what's up? Is Safety Jack here. Just bypassing the zoo. Anyways, as I mentioned, every few miles on the Sound of Narrows run, we got awesome people down here at the water station. So, for a run like this, it is important to definitely drink a lot of water. And I've learned a few years ago, since I've done the Sound of Narrows, I've kind of had learned some harsh lessons, but yeah, I'm getting through. And right down here, yeah, here's some of these awesome volunteers here passing out water. Hey guys, how you doing? Hey, good. Thank you. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you. I'm good, because there'll be more water stations to come. Woo, yeah. Hey. Oh, sorry guys. Well, need more Kool-Aid or Gatorade? Oh, sorry. Oh, cool. All right. We still got a little bit more to go and almost heading to the 5-mile drive. Woo! Over now.
Thank you.